Lucas, guess how many times, like in one day, you say the words I like?
What? I don't know. Maybe, 10 times?
No, way more. It's like hundreds of times.
Wait, really? Hundreds?
Yes, think about it. You say, I like your shoes, or I like coffee, or I like sleeping.
Oh, yeah, wow. I do like sleeping a lot.
Exactly. But here is the big problem.
Uh-oh, what is the problem, Luna?
So many English learners, like they make a tiny mistake when they say it.
A mistake with I like? It is so simple.
I know, right? But listen to this. I like play tennis. Is that right?
I like play tennis. No? Wait, is it I like playing tennis?
Yes. Or you can say I like to play tennis.
Oh, right. You need to or ing.
Exactly. And welcome to English Pod Center, everyone.
Yes, welcome. Today we are talking about what we like.
Because, talking about things you like is, well, it's how you make friends.
True. If I say I like pizza and you say I like pizza, boom, friends.
Boom, best friends. So let's make it super simple for everyone today.
Yes, please, super simple.
Okay, rule number 1, the easiest one.
Hit me.
I like plus a thing, a noun.
Like pizza.
Right, pizza. Or, dogs. I like dogs.
I like dogs. Very easy.
But wait, Lucas, do you say I like dog or I like dogs?
I like dogs with an S.
Yes. Why?
Because you like all the dogs, not just one.
Exactly, you got it. If it is a thing you can count, you need the S.
Oh, wow. Okay, wait. So I say I like apples.
Perfect.
I like cars.
Yes,
I like book. Wait, no, I like books.
you like books. See, if you say I like book, it sounds weird.
It sounds like I am a robot. I like book.
Yes, like a weird robot.
But wait, Luna, what about water? I cannot count water.
Oh, good question. Water is, we don't count it, so no S.
So just, I like water.
Exactly. I like water, I like music, I like coffee.
Ah, okay. Things we don't count, no S. Things we do count, add S.
Right. But now it gets a little tricky.
Oh boy, here we go.
What if you like doing an action, like sleep?
Oh, the thing you said before. I like sleep? No, that is wrong.
Right, that is wrong. It's like, imagine you have a puzzle, right?
Okay, a puzzle.
I like is one piece. The action is the other piece. They don't fit together without glue.
Glue? What is the glue?
The glue is the word to, T-O.
Ah, I like to sleep.
Yes, the two glues them together.
That is a crazy example, but I love it. The two is glue.
Or you can use a different glue.
Wait, there are two glues?
Yes, the other glue is ing at the end of the word.
Oh, like I like sleeping.
Exactly. Like, I like sleeping is perfect.
Okay. Let me think for a second.
Go ahead.
So I can say, I like to eat.
Yes.
And I can also say, I like eating.
Yes, eating. You totally got it, Lucas.
Wow, that is so easy.
Right? But, wait.
Uh-oh, I don't like but wait.
People make, one big mistake here.
What mistake?
They try to use both glues.
Both? Like, wait, I like to eating?
Yes, they actually say, I like to eating.
Oh, no, that sounds really bad.
It is very bad. It is like too much glue.
Too much glue. It just makes a mess.
Literally a mess. You only ever need one glue.
Okay, so one glue only. Got it.
Let's practice. I will give you an action.
Okay, I am ready, Luna. Test me.
The action is read.
Read. Okay, I like to read.
Perfect. Now use the other glue.
I like reading.
Good. Very good.
Wait, which one is better?
What do you mean?
Like, to read or reading? Which one do people actually say more?
Oh, both. Honestly, both are great.
Really? No difference at all?
Not for beginners, no. They mean the exact same thing.
Okay, cool. Give me another one.
Okay, cook, like making food.
Oh, I hate cooking.
Well, just pretend for now.
Okay. I like to cook.
Right.
Or I like cooking.
You are a natural, Lucas.
See, I am smart.
But what if we add a thing?
A thing, like what kind of thing?
Like, pizza.
Oh, I like pizza. No glue.
Exactly. You remember from before.
Yes, because pizza is just a thing. It is not an action.
So smart. But what if the action is, making the pizza?
Oh, wait, don't tell me.
Think about the glue.
I like to make pizza.
Yes, or
I like making pizza.
boom, you got it.
Wow, okay, I really truly understand this now.
It is just a simple formula, like math, but easy.
I like easy mouth. Wait, easy mouth is a thing.
Yes, it is.
No glue for things. I am on fire today, Luna.
You are, Lucas. You are doing great.
Thank you. So, what if I hate something? Like, really hate it?
Ah, good question. What if you, do not like it?
Yeah, like, I know like spiders.
Close, but no.
Wait, really? It is not I know like?
No, we don't say that in English.
Oh, okay. So, what do I say then?
We use a magic word. Don't.
Don't? Like, D-O-N-T?
Yes, I don't like.
I don't like spiders.
Exactly. Perfect.
I don't like, bad food.
Yes, bad food is a thing.
Right. No glue for things.
You remember the rule.
I am a genius.
Okay, Mr. Genius. What about like an action?
Oh boy, okay. Running. I hate running.
So, use our new words.
I don't like run?
Wrong. Where's the glue?
Oh, the glue. Right.
Yes, we always need glue for actions.
So, I don't like to run.
Yes. Or,
I don't like running.
boom, you are doing it, Lucas.
Wow, it really is like the easy math we talked about.
I told you, simple rules.
I like is yes. I don't like is no.
Yes, it is like a light switch. Just, on and off.
I love that. A light switch.
On is I like, off is I don't like.
So easy. But, wait.
What is it?
What if I want to ask you?
Ask me what?
Ask if you like something.
Oh, that is the next step.
Can I guess? Let me guess.
Go ahead, try it.
You like pizza?
I mean, people will understand you, but
But it is wrong?
it is a little wrong, yeah.
Ah, man, why? It sounds like so good.
We need another magic word for questions.
A magic word, like, abracadabra?
No, not a real magic word. The word is do.
Do? Just D-O?
Exactly. You say, do you like pizza?
Oh, do you like pizza? That sounds better.
Right? It tells the listener, hey, a question is coming.
So it is like a little flag.
Yes, Luna, a little flag. It waves and says, listen, question.
Wait. I am Lucas. You are Luna.
Oh, right. Sorry, Lucas. My brain is moving too fast.
It is okay. So, do you like dogs?
Perfect. Yes. Now you try. Ask me about coffee.
Okay. Do you like coffee?
I love coffee. See? You did it.
Wow, that is easy. What about he or she?
Ah, now it changes a tiny bit.
Oh no, English always does this. Always.
I know. But it is easy. We say does.
Does. D-O-E-S?
Yes. Does he like pizza?
Does he like pizza? Not do he like pizza?
Exactly. Never do he, always does he.
And does she?
Yes. Does she like cats?
Wait. Does she like or does she likes with the S?
Ooh, good question, Lucas. This is very important. No S on like.
Really? But before we said he likes apples.
Yes, for a normal sentence. But in a question, does takes the S.
Does takes the S. It steals it.
Yes, does is a thief. It takes the S from like.
A thief. That is a great way to remember it.
So, how do you ask if my friend Tom likes music?
Okay. Does Tom like music?
Perfect. You got it. No S on like.
Man, this is like so fun. I feel so smart now.
You are smart. Let's play a very fast game.
A game? Okay, I am ready.
I say 2 words, you make a question. Ready?
Ready. Let's go.
You, books.
Do you like books?
Yes, she, movies.
Does she like movies?
Boom, they, sports.
Do they like sports?
He, video games.
Does he like video games?
Wow, 100% perfect, Lucas.
Yes, give me a high five, Luna.
High five, you are a master now.
So wait, what is the homework for everyone listening?
Good question. For everyone listening, look around your room.
Okay, look around.
Find 3 things and write a like question for each.
Like, do you like my lamp?
Exactly. Write them down in the comments. We want to read them.
Yes, please do. And if you liked this, wait, if you like this lesson,
Good fix. If you like this lesson, please hit subscribe.
yeah, subscribe to English Pod Center for more fun.
See you next time, guys. Keep practicing.